Representation of whole numbers, natural numbers, integers and rational numbers on the number line, and plotting rational numbers between two rational numbers on a number line. Today we will study the representation of rational numbers on a number line. Now we have learned to represent natural number, whole numbers and integers and rational numbers on a number line. So first we will say the natural numbers. Natural numbers are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. The line extends indefinitely only to the right side of 1. There are no numbers on the left side of 1. Now the whole numbers. The number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it extends up to infinity. The line extends indefinitely to the right, but from 0. There are no numbers to the left of 0. On the left of 0 there are no numbers. Now integers. Integers are negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. The line extends indefinitely on both the sides. Do you see any numbers between minus 1, 0, 0, 1 etc.? Now see here, the minus number extends indefinitely and the plus number extends infinitely. Let us study the representation of rational numbers on a number line. The number line extends infinitely on both the sides. On plus side also infinite numbers, on minus side also infinite numbers. But here in the number line we can see that there are still some numbers between the two numbers, that is 0 and 1 and 0 and minus 1. We can see between 0 and 1 there is 1 upon 2 and between 0 and minus 1 there is minus 1 upon 2. So, and if we will divide the numbers between 0 and 1 in 3 equal parts. Okay. So, let us see, the first number will be 1 upon 3, the second number will be 2 upon 3, the third number will be 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3 is nothing but 1. 3 will be cut. So, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, the answer is 1. So, we can say that if we are dividing the number line from 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts, it is 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 3. Now, if we will divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. So, first will be 1 upon 4, second part will be 2 upon 4, third part will be 3 upon 4, fourth part will be 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4 is nothing but 1. Now if we will divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts, then it will be 1 upon 5, second part will be 2 upon 5, third part will be 3 upon 5, fourth part will be 4 upon 5 and fifth part will be 5 upon 5, that is 1. Rational number is represented in the fraction form, that is n upon d, numerator upon denominator. The denominator tells the number of equal parts into which the first unit is divided and numerator tells how many of these parts are considered. Now let us see one example. Suppose we want to represent 4 upon 7 on the number line. So the denominator is 7. So we have to make 7 equal parts. So let us see 4 upon 7. So we will divide it into 7 equal parts from 0 to 1. That is 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7. 7 upon 7 is nothing but 1. So our rational number which we are representing is 4 upon 7. Now let us see minus 5 upon 9. Now this number is negative, so it will go on the left side of the number line. So let us take on the left side. Minus 9 upon 9, we will divide it into 9 equal parts. So starting from 0, we will go minus side. Starting from 0, we will go left side and we will show the numbers minus 1 upon 9, minus 2 upon 9, minus 3 upon 9, minus 4 upon 9, minus 5 upon 9, minus 6 upon 9, minus 7 upon 9, minus 8 upon 9 and minus 9 upon 9. Now our rational number which we are representing is minus 5 upon 9. So it is represented here as minus 5 upon 9. Now let us study how to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. First we will see for the natural numbers. The natural numbers are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinity. Now if we see the numbers between 1 and 7, it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. if we find a number between 5 and 8, it will be 6 and 7. So 6 and 7. Between 14 and 15, will there be any number? So it will be no number. So none. Now let us see for integers. Integers are 0, negative numbers and positive numbers. Positive numbers are endless and even negative numbers are endless. Now let us see between minus 6 and 2, the numbers will be, we can see here, minus 6 and 2, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So let us write here minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. And now between minus 1 and 1, the number is 0. We can see here between minus 1 and 1, the number is 0. Between minus 2 and minus 3, the number is there any number between minus 2 and minus 3? So no. So there is no number, none. Now let us find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Now the rational numbers, the number of rational numbers between two rational numbers is not definite. There are so many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. For example, we can see how many rational numbers are there between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. Now the numbers are given 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. So between these numbers, it is very clear that we can say from 3 to 7. That is, there are the three numbers 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10. That is three numbers. But still there will be countless numbers. For example, now we will find still other numbers between 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. So first, if we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10, then denominator will be 10 into 10 and numerator will be 3 into 10. And here denominator will be 10 into 10, numerator will be 7 into 10. So it will be 30 upon 10, 30 upon 100 and 70 upon 100. Now, so we can say that the rational numbers will be from 30 upon 100 to 70 upon 100. That is, from 30 upon 100, further that 31 upon 100, 32 upon 100, 33 upon 100, up to 69 upon 100. We will not take 70. Before 70, we will take only 69 upon 100. So, total numbers will be 39 rational numbers. Now here, if we multiply the denominator with 100 and numerator with 100, and here also denominator will multiply by 100 and numerator will be multiplied by 100, then we will get here 300 upon 1000 and 700 upon 1000. So we can say that starting from 300 to 700, we will get all the rational numbers as after 300 it will be 301 upon 1000, 302 upon 1000 up to 699 upon 1000. So starting from 301 to 699 means there will be 399 rational numbers. Now further, if we will multiply the fraction by 1000, in the denominator by 1000 and in the numerator by 1000. Here also in the denominator by 1000, 10 into 1000 and numerator also 7 into 1000. Then we will get equal to 3000 upon 10,000. Here 7,000 upon 10,000. Then we will count now. After 3000 we will start. So 3001 upon 10,000. Here 3002 upon 10,000. Up to we will take 6,999. Before 7,000 we will take one number, 6,999 upon 10,000. So if we will count 3001 to 6,999, we will get 3,999 rational numbers. So here we can say that in all the three cases, the number of rational numbers between the two numbers are different. From this we can conclude that we can get countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Let us see one example. Write any four rational numbers between 0 and -3. Now we can see 0 can be written as 0 upon 10. Multiplying by 10 up and down. Now -3 can be written as -30 upon 10. Here also 10 is multiplied in denominator and numerator. Now between 0 upon 10 and -30 upon 10, the rational numbers are we can see from 0 to -30. So starting from 0, we will go negative side on the numbers line. We will get -1 upon 10, -2 upon 10, -3 upon 10, -4 upon 10, -5 upon 10 up to -29 upon 10. So out of this we can take any four numbers out of these numbers. Next example, write any 8 rational numbers between -5 upon 6 and 5 upon 8. Now first we have to convert these two fractions into the rational numbers with equal denominator. So convert -5 upon 6 and 5 upon 8 to rational numbers with same denominator. So let us see, we want same denominator in both the rational numbers. So we will multiply by 4, 6 4s are, and numerator also 5 4s are. It will be -20 upon 24. Here 5 upon 8, to get 24 we have to multiply 8 by 3. So 5 also will be multiplied by 3. So equal to 5 3s are 15 upon 24. So the rational numbers between -20 upon 24 and 15 upon 24 are, we will take -20 to 15, whatever numbers are there. So we will write -19 upon 24, -18 upon 24, -17 upon 24, -16 upon 24, up to, we will take up to 14 upon 24.